Hey guys, this is my Mardi Gras dinner. I made something with Italian roots in New Orleans. This is a muffuletta. It's one of those yummy pressed sandwiches. And this is Filé Gumbo. Vegan Filé Gumbo. It's got the celery, the red pepper, the onion. It's also got garlic. It's got okra, vegan sausage, vegan chicken. Oh boy, it's so good. Wow. It's I made it with easy roux. The thing that might hold people back about gumbo is that they're scared of burning their roux because it has to get really dark brown. But if you bake your flour for 45 to 55 minutes, then you don't have to use as much oil. The flour is already brown and it gives it this wonderful, wonderful deep color and flavor. Wow. Should be on the ultimate chicken. This is so good. Wow, what a feast. Which is the whole idea behind Mardi Gras. You're supposed to feast because tomorrow Lent starts and you're supposed to fast till Easter. Wow. This is an excellent sandwich. Recipes for both will be on my blog. Links to yesterday's video. I'm still doing vegetarian. I'm going to do some more cheese tomorrow. So I'll do a link to the vegetarian playlist. Thanks for watching. And take it away, Professor Longhair. See you later, guys.